And I'm telling you this right now because you're gonna find out anyways, right? So, hi everyone, welcome back to another mukbang. Today I'm back with kimchi stew. It's kimchi stew, but it has a lot of other goodies in here. It's like a goodie box. I have dumplings, and I added some bacon and can of tuna, kimchi, and tofu. Just kind of a leftover stew, and I really love to do this at least once a week because I get to kind of like clean out the not closet. What am I saying? To clean out the refrigerator. I've been kind of needing to eat a healthier meal. I have this is like a marinated bean. And this is also seasoned seaweed strips, and then 2 fried eggs. And of course my rice. Let's start with this much today. Ooh, what a great weather. I am excited to be outside. I mean, I could definitely feel that summer is going away and, you know, we're ready for fall. But then again, you don't really know Chicago because sometimes it snows in March or it's April, sometimes May. So who knows? Boy, these are so good. Mmm. 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 Oh my god, these are impossible. These look like caviar. Mmm. 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 And I have chunks of tuna in here. Mmm. Mmm. Oh. Mmm. Mm. I'm gonna try the cheddar or American cheese. Mmm. Oh, so much bacon in here. Oh, I'm scared. Mmm. 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 Oh my god, my rice. Ah. Ah. I feel like I'm sure you guys heard it. I think my stomach growls when I'm full, not when I'm hungry. So opposite. About 2 years ago, I tried being a pescatarian, hoping that I would move over to vegetarian. Maybe I lasted like a year, maybe not even a year. During that time when I was a pescatarian, one thing that I really did miss was pork kimchi stew. During that time, I added canned tuna, and of course it was delicious, but the broth that the pork gives in the kimchi stew is just so different. I don't know if anything else could mimic it. It's like leaving out a patty in a hamburger, almost. It's just so, their combination is so good. It's just meant to be. Got some desserts. My favorite. This is so good. Mm. Mm. So refreshing. I am thinking about renting out a studio where it's solely dedicated for my filming. And I'm telling you this right now because you're gonna find out anyways, right? So I'm very excited at the same time. I'm like kind of scared. I don't even know why. I always thought that I'm like a very brave and like not scared of anything kind of person, but maybe that's just because I'm young and who isn't when they're young, right? But every time I try to do something a little different or make little changes, I feel like I always get a little scared. But what's there to be scared about, right? Getting a studio. And one of the main reasons is because I just feel like having that flexibility, like the space where it's open for me 24/7. Because I think I told you guys this already. Like right now, I have to film around everyone's time, which is like uncomfortable for them too, of course, but myself as well. And I want to be able to film more things, film a little differently. Like I want to cook in my videos, like front of the camera like this, but sometimes I just don't have enough time to do that. And more than I know, I edit my videos to like max 20 minutes. For me to film that, it takes me hours. Especially when I cook, it's gonna take me a lot longer, and I just feel like I don't have all the time being here at my parents' house. And Tuna and I really, really enjoy being here. So we're like, what's like the best option? And I think the best option is getting a studio. It's just for me to film, kind of like going to work, my own little office. I could edit there. I could film ASMR. Like I do want to be really active on my ASMR channel as well. Oh, this is so good. I wish I had some coffee next time.